What's going on, guys? We're about to play Cat Mario. This one was requested by Ty G. Uh, I know him by Howard. This one's for you, buddy. A new Cat Mario video. Uh, I don't really like playing this game because I don't like raging out, getting my blood pressure all high. But you guys loved it. Actually, it's one of my most viewed videos is Cat Mario. So, sadly, we about to play this game and rage out. But let's get into it. Alright. So I remember this is a fake box. Also a ghost. I'm trying to. Okay. Alright, so it's a ghost in the tunnel. Alright. Here we go. I don't remember how I faked the ghost out before. Let's see. How do you. Oh my god. How do you fake it out? Oh my. Alright, I'm gonna just try to jump clean over it. There we go. I forgot the mushroom is I forgot the mushroom is not even necessary in this game. Bruh. Alright. Lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in, lock in. Lock in, lock in. Alright. Nope. Okay. Alright, we're good, we're good. First checkpoint, first checkpoint. I don't want to touch any of these boxes because I don't remember which one is which. No! No! I forgot. Okay. So how do I do that one? Alright, boom. Box there. Jump up there. Alright, it shouldn't be any traps here. I think we just gotta jump clean over these ghosts. Bruh! That one, okay, that one was just the floor collapsed, bro. I'm not even lying, bro. I really forgot all of this stuff was here. Alright. So, here, ghost, jump. Jump. Far back as possible. Running jump! Alright. I remember you have to like jump clean. You have to jump clean over the. Oh my god. Let me get past this part first and I'll talk. You have to jump clean over the flag. And then after you jump over the flag, you should be able to walk back and hit the finish line. Why they only react sometimes? I'm starting to realize like the ghosts on those staircase only react sometimes. Like right there, they're supposed to come down. Look. All right, boom. Bro. I tried. Alright. Come on. That big ass jump, bro! We made it to level 2. I believe we made it to level 2. We never made it past level 2. And now we're never gonna make it back to level 2. Bro, I'm already feeling it. This game makes me feel like I took 3 C4s and strapped it to my fucking brain! Alright. Here we go. Oh my god, just come down, bro! Superman. Superman. Alright. Nah, I gotta get as much run as I can. I have to go clean over that flag, bro, but it's not easy. It's not easy. Oh my. This game's gonna make me harm my. Ooh, can't even say that. Ah! It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. It's just a game. This is the problem with being competitive, by the way. This is the problem with being competitive. Everything is a race. Everything is a challenge. Nothing's just a game, okay? I gotta finish these videos by 9 o'clock because I want to watch the Ronda Rousey fight. And what time is it now? It is 7:26. Alright, that's as far back as we go. How do we jump? How do I... Maybe if I... What if I hold... Maybe if I hold up more. Like, what if I hold up longer? You think it'll give me a bigger jump? Oh my god! Alright. Alright, bro. Come on. Come on, come on. We got this, we got this. We got this, we got this. Come on. Jump! Alright. Hold up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. I thought if I jumped, it'll give me an extra bounce. Like, you know how in the real... Can I even say? Yeah, I can say it. You know how in the real Mario, the more jumps you land, the more bounce you get? Right? Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. Anybody that... Oh my god. Anybody that's ever played the real Mario knows what I'm talking about. If you get enough bounces, you usually get enough jump. But in this game, that logic does not stand true. Alright, boom. Come on, bro. Unless we can get over that flag, we're never beating this round. Oh my god. Sad part is we're 6 minutes into this video, by the way. 6 minutes into this video, and we're still on the same level, bro. By the way, Howard, this is why I hate playing this game. This is why I hate playing this game. Alright. Come on. Lock in, lock in. Lock in, lock in, bro! Stop going into the void! My god. Come on. Oh my god. They're like, hey, why don't you play Cat Mario anymore? Oh, it was such a good game. I loved it. You just love watching me suffer. All of you. Alright. It's like, it looks like a freaking force field pushing me back every time. Like, what is it? How can I do it? And now he's got skates on, sliding off the freaking map. Come on. Oh my gosh. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, here we go. Superman. Superman. Alright, here we go. Right here. Jump. Oh my. I can't. I actually like. Come on. I gotta make it to level 2. That's like. I don't even remember how I did it before. Like, I gotta watch my own video to remember how I actually got past this. Holy. He didn't even jump that time. He just gave up. I've seen better days, chat. I've seen better days. RVO, please heal me. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Lord, please! Oh! We did it! We did it, we did it. What? How do I get in? Oh, I went too far past. I went too far past the map. I went too far past the pole, and it wouldn't let me go back. We finally made it over the freaking thing, and it... Ha! And it was a trap. Just like that. guess we weigh 5,000 pounds because the floor can't stay up. Come on. Come on. Come on. We done beat these stairs. We done beat these stairs 15 times now. Alright, here we go. Come on. Come on. Lock in. No! 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 Lord, please no. Come on! Oh my gosh. Migraine is cooking right now, by the way. God, just jump over the flag! Can't, bro. Gee. Oh my god. Come on. Come on, come on. No! No! I jumped too early! I jumped too early. I actually seen it that time. Okay, I actually seen it that time. That time I actually seen it. Jump too early. Jump too early. Okay. I forgot. How did you forget? Come on. Gonna have nightmares about this, bro. I'm literally gonna have freaking... I've never touched that cloud! All of a sudden, the cloud is danger. The cloud! Everybody's worried about global warming. Meanwhile, I gotta worry about a freaking cloud, bro. Stop. I've never jumped 6 stairs high before. Until just now. Come on, bro. Come on! Oh, no! I promise you, I'm trying. I promise you I'm trying. I'm trying! I promise. It's like you ever bro, like you ever, oh my god. Come on, just give me a break. Please, just give me a break. Come on, bro! Oh! No! No! I land on a box, and all of a sudden, my feet are made of ice, bro! It's like the new Drake, bro. I'm Iceman now. Come on. Come on. Please. We're 14 minutes in. Come on. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Line me up. Let me up. No! Please! Oh bro, I don't know, bro. I don't know. Bro, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I gotta see this. Like, I took a day off. I took 5 days off. 5 days off of Incredible. I said Incredible. Oh lord. I took 5 days off of freaking making YouTube videos, and I suck. I suck, bro. I actually suck. Like, I can't get a freaking dub in Invincible Versus. I can't win in Cat Mario level 1. Like, I don't even want to talk about Spider-Man. Lord. I'll see y'all in the next. Oh, my mic broke. My mic broke. My mic broke. I'll see y'all in the next video. Like, please, like, subscribe, and maybe I'll get my life together.
You did.